and more. Come inside to see the selection and stock up now.
Turn off, turn back on. P0496 O2 sensor circuit low voltage. O2 sensor circuit low volts. Evap emission high, purge flow fault. System 2 lean, P0171. Evap emission high, purge flow fault, P0496. That's it. Where's the new part? I'm pushing the two sides of the blue tab back so it unclips, and then I'm going to slide the line off. Then on the other side, there's a white clip. Push in and pull the line back. Maybe you have to go the other way. I'll take this side first. I'm gonna push in here, pop that back, then shoot, it's being stubborn. Should, if you push it in, it should come. See how it's opening up right there? When you push in on the tab, it should pull right out of there. But this one is being really stubborn. Now I'm gonna take the same one, oriented in the same direction, the clip towards the driver's side. I'm gonna pop it in. I'm gonna take the blue tab. It needs to be with the edge on the tab. It needs to be facing the passenger side, the center alignment part. You can break it if you're not careful. Push it in. I'm gonna take the connector, plug it back in. The other side, just pop it right on. Then I'm going to slide it back on the bracket on the bottom. Okay, begin. No check engine light anymore. Now we're gonna do a test drive and check. So we replaced the purge solenoid in the vehicle. The code had a high flow leak or high rate leak, whatever it was, and basically what that states is the solenoid is stuck open. The gas tank is allowing the vent fumes to basically free flow to the engine uncontrollably. There's nothing to shut it off. The computer can't see the demand, and it detects that there's a problem, so it sets the code. These are lean conditions, but also you can get rich conditions as well, because the computer's trying to back the fuel trim off or add to it, so you're going to get both sometimes. Sometimes it'll just be one, sometimes it'll be the other. We've drove the vehicle around for 4 miles now. The light has not come on. Every other time it has come on immediately before. In this condition, I could honestly say it's probably fixed, but we're going to drive the vehicle around for another week just to see what happens, just to make all the monitors come back on, and then we'll make another video. All right, thanks guys.